And we're birding. Laguna Atascosa National Wildlife Refuge. About as far south Texas as you can get. Close to it. And it is, we're lucky if it's 40 today. Oh well, you gotta get out. Kind of skipped yesterday because it was raining, windy and that, but couldn't skip today too. Only have 3 days left down here. But we got green jay, plain chachalaca, white tip dove, olive sparrow. Couldn't get a picture. Kind of took off in the grass away from me. So headed to Osprey Overlook and hiked that trail. Did it last year and it was cool. See if the weather affects it. Now I'm at Laguna Vista Nature Trail. Behind me is one of 2 blinds I've found so far. The first blind had lifer, buff-bellied hummingbird, but heard a bunch of stuff. Got first Veer Wilson's warbler, so it's been good. I don't think if there's anything else in the other blind. Let's go check this one out. Blind number 3. These blinds are really cool. Have a little water feature. It drips water right there. And got fruit, bird seed. Each one has hummingbird feeder. This is the first one I didn't see hummingbird on. Looked at that Oriole. Didn't know if it was hooded or Altamira earlier. There's 2. And checked it out on Merlin. I need to check it out at home a little more, but it's saying that it's hooded, which will be another lifer. All right, that's it for today. 2 lifers. Should be 383. So it's a pretty good day, and we had some earbirds. Back at it tomorrow. Heading over toward Benson, Santa Ana, all that good stuff. So hopefully the weather turns. This sucks.